Hi my loves, so I just got finished doing a quick little clean with me. I was only able to clean just a little with you all before my camera died. Well, it's dying now, so I have to get ready to charge it. So I hope you enjoy the little bit of cleaning I got to do with you all, and hopefully it motivates you. So yeah, you'll just be seeing me clean my kitchen a little and try out these apple cider vinegar shots. So if you guys are interested, be sure that you keep on watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell, and I'll see you on my next video.
Right on time, we fell right into each other. Couldn't pull myself away, and I know love is blind, so reputation didn't matter. It doesn't matter, does it, babe? But I've always got this feeling in the back of my mind that you'll find someone else and then you'll leave me behind. You're going out and I won't be sleeping at night. It's harder than I make it look. I guess that's why they call them trust issues, 'cause I never had them before I met you. So scared you break my heart. I've never been a girl who is paranoid. Got feelings that I can't avoid. Don't know where I got them. I guess that's why they call them trust issues. Trust issues. I guess that's why they call them trust issues. Don't know where I got them. I guess that's why they call them trust issues. Can't cry over something that's never happened. It's never happened, has it, babe? So tell me why, oh why I'm making nothing into something. I'm gonna end up pushing you away. But I've always got this feeling in the back of my mind that you'll find someone else and then you'll leave me behind. You're going out and I won't be sleeping tonight. It's harder than I make it look. I guess that's why they call them trust issues, 'cause I never had them before I met you. So scared you break my heart. I've never been a girl who...
Alright y'all, so we're gonna take a break from cleaning. Hopefully my TV is not distracting to you. I believe it's The Devil Wears Prada. Alright, so I wanted to show y'all these RW Nutson shots. These are apple cider vinegar shots. I have not tried them yet. I was sent these from influencer. I'll have the link to them down below. I've talked to y'all before. Been with them for years. So pretty much these are juice shots and they have different flavors. I would have loved to try the pineapple ginger shot, because I was taking some apple cider vinegar vitamins. I don't know if y'all know of these. I can't remember the name of the brand, but the brand that launched these apple cider vinegar vitamins. I was taking 2 daily and it was giving me bad, very bad reflux. Like my liquids would come back up. I had very bad heartburn. So I stopped taking them. And then I was sent this flavor from influencer to try out, and I don't know how I feel about it, but I think it's like 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar though. And it has other stuff. So it says it has organic apple cider vinegar and it has ginger. It's organic apple cider vinegar and ginger juice beverage with black pepper, turmeric, and cayenne pepper. So it's kind of like that little weight loss drink I was making with apple cider vinegar and water with cayenne pepper. And that did work. I was losing weight when I did that. So I'm going to take a shot. It's 9:57, so it's about to be 10 p.m. I don't know a good time to take it, but I'm going to take it now. Just to try it with y'all online. And these are the little shot bottles. So let's try it together. So yeah, let's try it. How much is this? So it's 2.5 fluid ounces. I'm thirsty, so I hope it tastes like apple juice. Probably not, right? And this is what it looks like in the bottom. I'm gonna shake, shake, shake. Does it have like any directions? Recycle. But yeah, I would have loved to try the pineapple, but the different flavors are, they have apple cider vinegar, which is the one that I have. They have the beet juice shots. I've never tried beet juice. They have carrot, black pepper, turmeric. And turmeric is strong, and it's also in this one. And they also have the pineapple ginger. So it's 4 different shots, and don't know if y'all can see that, but these are what they look like. So yeah, look them up. I'll maybe try to see if I can link them down below if you guys are interested in these shots, these health shots. So let's go ahead and see. Am I supposed to drink it like a shot? Oh my gosh, I don't know, y'all. It legit smells like apple cider, like straight up vinegar. Oh. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Wow. Should I take this tonight? I don't know if this is good. It's really burning my chest. Should I take this tonight? I mean, I'm gonna take it. I just can't imagine. I would think that I should take it in the morning, right? I'm gonna finish this shot. Skip tomorrow. Okay. I mean, excuse me, y'all. This is worse than the one I used to make. I mean, it's a lot of black pepper in this. And now that I look at it, I can see the black pepper. Wow, I feel like I'm just drinking straight up seasoning for food. Oh man. It's like sour. Okay, I was not expecting this cleaning video to take this route, but we'll see. I'm gonna try all of these, but it's definitely like more than a shot. Oh, I need some water, but yeah. Comment down below if you guys have heard of these. I would much have rather tried something sweet like the pineapple ginger shot. I feel like that would have been a little bit better for me. Oh gosh, woo. All right. But yeah, I have so many of these little shots in here, so we'll see if I can finish it. Maybe I'll give y'all an update on it. But it's 10:01. Let's get back to cleaning.
I want to be selfish with you. I only want to see the truth. I want to eliminate the unnecessary. My vision's never been so clear. You've arrested my attention. All the focus is on you. It doesn't matter what's around us, 'cause baby, you've got me blind.